Well, I would imagine many of the parents right now are trying to figure out, what do we do with our kids with this cold weather coming?
Yeah, you know, no matter where you go trick-or-treating, it's gonna be cold tomorrow night.
Yeah, in fact, even if you're not trick-or-treating, you'll want to prepare. So if you have a garden, you're going to want to cover up any plants because of the freeze warning. Make sure, though, that any plastic you use doesn't touch the plants.
And it's also a good time to disconnect your hoses ahead of winter. We have a lot more tips for you so you can stay safe, keep your home safe right now at WTHR.com. And of course, you want to keep the kiddos safe in their costumes tomorrow night, and it could be a tough one out there.
Yeah, because we're probably going to need winter coats, hats, gloves, maybe a blanket, and maybe something reflective. Remember, if the little ones are going to be out,
good
once,
idea.
You know, once it's dark, keep that in mind, and always slow down in your neighborhoods.
Yes,
on Halloween.
Yep.
When what can we expect? 20s.
Ooh,
I know.
that has a bite to it.
Woo, that's the reason for the freeze warning. Our average high is 60. We're forecasting 42 for tomorrow. The record low is 24. We're going to be close to it. I mentioned we're going to be in the 20s tomorrow morning. Our forecast low is 26. Sunset tomorrow evening happens around 6:45. Wind chills will be in the high teens and the 20s. Not the coldest Halloween on record. That was 24 set back in 1988, but our 26 would put us top 5 for sure. And yes, we've got a little bit of snow possible tomorrow. The last time we had a trace of snow was back in 2019. Beautiful view over downtown at this hour. The skies are clear. We're at 43 degrees. Winds north-northwest at 10 miles per hour. Temperatures overnight will fall into the 20s, about 10 colder than what we had this morning. Numbers from today, 46 and 36 were obviously well below the averages of 59 and 41. Sunset this evening is at 6:46. Rush hour forecast tomorrow morning is just cold, but skies will be clear, roads will be dry. Sunrise is at 8:11. However, the afternoon and evening drive, don't be surprised if you see a few flurries around. Temperatures tomorrow afternoon only in the low 40s. So again, that trick-or-treat forecast does include some flurries and snow showers around. If you would get under one of the steadier bursts of snow, might be just enough to quickly cover the grassy areas. This is Future Track 13 showing the clear, dry start tomorrow morning. Clouds start to build by about midday. This is noon, and you can see the leading edge of that snow chance entering the northwestern part of the state. We squeeze out a few bursts of snow, a couple snow showers, flurries around through tomorrow afternoon and evening. This is 6 p.m. It does move off to the east. What will be left behind, still a few flurries through the late evening hours. Then we are back into a sunny stretch starting Wednesday and a gradual warming trend in your 7-day forecast. But it is going to be cold. The next 3 mornings, I do have morning temperatures in the 30s, or in the 20s rather. 30s midday on Wednesday and highs only in the 40s. So 42 tomorrow, 44 on Wednesday. That's when that sunny stretch returns, takes us into Thursday and Friday. There's that gradual warming trend. We're at 52 on Thursday, 60 on Friday. Right now we include a rain chance on Saturday, but the weekend temperatures will be in the low 60s for highs. And remember, this weekend we fall back. So when we go to bed Saturday night, we turn those clocks back 1 hour.